Today's project is Enkei Wheels and BFG Goodrich tires on the GTS. These are the stock wheels, 16-inch. I repainted these, but they really didn't come out as I wanted them to. I think these new Enkei wheels are going to be a huge upgrade and look great against this blue. Picked these up from Tire Rack this morning out in Midway, Georgia. So let's put these wheels on and see how they look. Alright, so we got the first wheel on, passenger rear side, and these look great. These are 16 inches. Same inch as the wheel stock. I mean, the Celicas came with 15-inch or 16-inch wheels. I kept it with the 16-inch diameter. I have no plans of slamming this car or tilting the wheels or none of that fun stuff. It does have a slight drop, Tyne H-Tex, about 1/8 of an inch. But let's get the rest of these wheels on and see how it looks. Alright, so the new wheels are installed. These are Enkei J10s. I got them from Tire Rack with G-Force Comp 2 tires. I think these look great on this color car. Do a walk around here. This car, believe it or not, has 230,000 miles on it. The original motor, Celica GTS. So these Enkei wheels turned out great. I got new rotors coming because those are pretty rusty, but man, this car's come a long way. It needs a washing. When I got the car, it had yellow headlights, no window tint, suspension was shot, all kind of stuff. But here they are, the Enkei J10s. Love these wheels. 16-inch. I stayed stock with the stock wheel diameter. Not gonna get crazy or tilt my wheels or slant them or anything like that, but it's been a fun car. Window tint with got my brace back there in the rear. Don't mind the mess. These, I think, have turned out great. Interior shot, pretty much stock. Did upgrade my radio. It was horrible when I bought it. I know it's an automatic, but I still have fun and really don't care because I have push button shift. So other than that, fun car. Like I said, original motor, 230,000 miles, and these Enkei wheels make this car stand out.